Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Jan and we are going to discuss the growth parameters. First of all, we will discuss the yield parameters, and we have two yield components. First of all, we have to take the height of the plant, entire plant, up to the flag leaf. Then we have to count the number of leaves. Then we have to measure the leaf area of the plants, and then we have to take the leaf area. After that, we have to calculate or measure the total biomass of the plant. For the taking of the biomass of the plant, we have to cut the plant, and then we have to weight all the parts of the plant separately. Number second, we will discuss the leaf area and the leaf area index. To get the proper leaf area of the plant, we have to take, normally we take randomly 5 plants in a row, or we may take the plants randomly. When we take the 5 plants, they will be in the row, and we have to take the plant leaves mostly from the center of the plants. For this purpose, there are two methods to measure the leaf area. First of all is the leaf area meter, which is costly and it is only present in the most of the universities. And the second is we have to take the leaf area with the help of the graph paper. With the help of graph paper, we cut the leaf from its leaf blade, not the leaf sheet. We have to cut it with the scissor, and then we will put on the graph paper, and then we measure the area. Another method, we have to take the leaf and leaf length into the leaf width with from the center where it is the most, and then we will multiply for the maize purpose. Specifically for the maize, we will multiply it with the coefficient factor, that is 0.70. After getting this will be for the 5 plants leaf area, leaf of the 5 plant leaves divided by the area of the 5 plants, and then we will multiply with this coefficient factor. This will be called as leaf area index. The next we will discuss is the biomass distribution. For the purpose of biomass distribution, we will have to take it at the different stages of the plant. For example, first we will take at the 30 days, then we will at 60 days, then 90 days, and at the 120 days. For this purpose, we have to uproot the plant very carefully with the roots. Roots will be taken with the plant. Then we will separate the roots from the plant, and then we will separate leaves, stems, and the cobs as well present. And if the tassel is present on the plant, we will take it separately, and then we will take the weight. And biomass distribution, these are taken at the 5 stages. For first stage, these are called at the vegetative. There are 5 stages, V1 to V5. And in the reproductive stage, when the plant is, there are 7 stages ranging from the R1 to R7. Another, growth and development. For growth and development, we put the seed merges, and there will be the number of leaves, and there are between the leaves, please you may come here, and this is the first node, this is the second node, third node, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The nodes, difference of the distance between the nodes may vary. As the plant's size increases, the distance between the nodes increases. There may be different purposes. If the distance between the nodes is more, it may be said that this variety is developed for the fodder purpose, and the plant will be more investing in the leaves. And if there is less distance between the nodes, the plant will be investing more chlorophyll. They will be having more chlorophyll, and they will be investing in the cobs purpose. The next step is the relationship between the vegetative growth and the reproductive growth. When the plant is more investing in the leaves, then it is said to be that it is in the vegetative phase, and it is more investing in the vegetative growth. When the chlorophyll is moving towards the cobs and the seeds are being produced, we can say that the plant is more investing in the reproductive stages of the plant. That is the tassel, and then it may be called as the cobs may be present, and this is also the example of the cob. Then we have to discuss the quantification of the biomass. For this purpose, we have to uproot the plant. We have to take the roots separately. Then we will take the leaves in a separate plastic paper bag. Then we will take the stems in the separate plastic paper bag, the cobs in separate bag, and the tassel in the separate bag. Then we will have to dry it in the oven. For the 2 hours, we have to dry it at the 105 degree centigrade, and after this, for the next 2 days, we will dry it on 60 degrees Celsius in the electric oven. After that, we will continuously dry until the constant weight comes. The next is the measurement of the yield components of the maize. For this, we have this cob. First of all, we will measure the length of this cob length. Then we will take the diameter of the cob. Then we will count the number of rows in a cob, and then we will count the number of grains in the cob. After that, we have to take the weight of this cob as well as the weight of these grains. This will be the yield components of the maize. The next and the very last will be the how to take the root sample. For this purpose, we have to get the plant, and between two plants, the row to row distance and the plant to plant distance, we have to start digging from the half of that distance. For example, if the distance between the two plants is 30 centimeter, we will start digging from the half of that. And unfortunately, I have no equipment, and I very hardly found these plants, and I hope you understand all the procedures. Thank you very much.